Hi, my name's Greg, assembly technician here at Muscle Car Restorations. Today we got a 1957 Ford Thunderbird up on our dyno. This is a car that we converted over to an EFI from a carburetor. It's a Holley Sniper system, and also upgraded the ignition to electronic. And today we're gonna just give it a little test drive on our dyno, put some miles on it, let the EFI self-learn, and go from there. So today we're just driving our car on the dyno. We're not looking for any horsepower or torque numbers. We're just kind of going to put some miles on it, take it through some RPMs, and let the EFI learn. Kind of one of our ways we get to test the car, being it's winter here in Wisconsin. So we put several miles on this car, and the Holley Sniper system seems to be running really good. And hope you enjoyed the video. Check back for more.